Get ready to stop, drop, and roll. It's Spitfire Monster Truck. Bags the first spectacle point. Starting to fall apart out there. 3 spectacle points now on the board. It's slap wheelie time. There goes another part of the body. Keeping it going with a second spectacle point. End over end and back on 4 wheels. That spectacle star is almost complete. Working on a donut, bouncing into a slap wheelie. Locks away another spectacle point. Nice little slap wheelie. A 3 spectacle star. That's a small donut. The first spectacle point is in the books. There goes another piece. And a 3rd spectacle point for that. Bags the first spectacle point. There's a nice mini donut. Slaps it down for a short wheelie. Back with a first spectacle point. Must have not needed that piece. 1 spectacle point. Have some boost. Nice little slap wheelie. Sticking it for a short slap wheelie. Popping the front end up for a slap wheelie. The first spectacle point is in the books. That combo is worth another spectacle point. Working on a donut.